Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A couple of weeks ago, somebody wanted to join two lines in the middle, and I really said you can't do it in a way, but you can. And so, because you can join them on the sides pretty easily, and then take your shape tool, select the other one, hold down your shift key, select both those, select both your nodes, go up to Windows, Dockers, join curves, and hit your tolerance. My tolerance is not far enough, so let's move that. Let's move this node over, closer to it. Now select them and join, hit apply to join them. But that's on a corner. Let me back up here. Trying to join it here, there's really nothing. You could even add a node there and it's not going to join them. But what you can do, and if you'll look right now, these are individual lines. You could select them both, go up to object and combine them. Now, they are together. They're like kind of welded together, but they are still two lines because you could still take the node of that one and move it out of the way. You can't even join two nodes like that by hitting apply. It just doesn't work, not on the corner. But, so they are combined, but they're not individual lines. Anyway, hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.